A montage of dangerous work environments. A fisherman battling rough seas, a miner working underground, a firefighter tackling a blaze, and a construction worker on a high beam. Every day, millions of people around the world put their lives on the line to do their jobs. From towering heights to the depths of the ocean, these workers face risks most of us can only imagine. This is a look at the world's most dangerous jobs. Deep-sea fishermen, a fishing vessel swaying violently in rough waters, fishermen casting nets, pulling in catches, and waves crashing over the deck. First on our list, deep-sea fishermen. These workers brave the harshest seas, often battling freezing temperatures and stormy weather. With heavy equipment, slippery decks, and unpredictable waves, injuries and fatalities are sadly all too common. Yet, their work feeds millions. Logging trucks, workers cutting massive trees, and timber crashing to the ground. Logging is another job that ranks among the most dangerous. Workers handle heavy machinery, navigate rough terrain, and in a split second, a mistake can be deadly. But without their efforts, we wouldn't have the timber needed for construction, furniture, and paper products. Coal miners, miners working underground, drilling into rock and navigating dark, narrow tunnels. Coal miners work miles beneath the Earth's surface, extracting the fuel that powers much of the world. They face the constant threat of cave-ins, toxic gases, and explosions. Despite technological advancements, mining remains one of the most perilous professions. High-rise construction workers, workers balancing on steel beams, using welding tools at great heights, and panoramic shots of skyscrapers. Building the cities of tomorrow comes with great risk. High-rise construction workers operate hundreds of feet in the air, often with little more than a safety harness. A single misstep could mean the difference between life and death. Firefighters. Firefighters running into burning buildings, extinguishing flames, and rescuing people. Firefighters don't just battle flames. They face toxic smoke, collapsing structures, and extreme heat. They risk their lives to save others, often running toward danger when everyone else is running away. Bomb disposal experts. Technicians in bomb suits carefully handling explosive devices, with intense close-ups of their work. Few jobs demand as much precision as bomb disposal. These experts work under extreme pressure, dismantling devices that could explode at any moment. Their courage and expertise save countless lives, but one mistake could be their last. Wildland firefighters. Teams battling massive forest fires, helicopters dropping water, and firefighters resting after a grueling shift. Wildland firefighters face unpredictable, fast-moving blazes in remote areas. They endure intense heat, thick smoke, and grueling conditions, often working for days on end to contain the flames. Montage of all the workers featured, with a sunset shot symbolizing hope and resilience. These jobs may be dangerous, but they're also vital. The people who take on these challenges are heroes in their own right, ensuring that our world keeps moving forward. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, drive through a city, or flip on a light switch, take a moment to appreciate the workers who made it possible, often at great personal risk. To all the workers who risk their lives every day, thank you. This is a tribute to the brave souls who face danger so the rest of us don't have to.